Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. Today I'm going to do a pour. This is on an 18 by 24 inch artist loft canvas. I'm going to use white for my base. Right. So the colors that I'm going to use are, so one of them I'm going to use is, this is Decoart's Metallic Sapphire. And all my paints are mixed with Liquitex gloss pouring medium, Floetrol, and a little bit of water if needed. This one here, look at how pretty that is. Such a beautiful color. This is the Rustoleum's metallic Glacier blue. I got this from Menards. Then I have Decoart's metallic 24 karat gold and SoHo's Prussian blue. I accidentally threw away the jar to the Decoart's Sapphire because it was empty, so I accidentally threw that away. So I'm just gonna kind of put some stuff down. I don't know really how I have in mind, but we'll see. We'll just kind of see what it does. Like I said, I do want some negative space, so I don't want to put too much here. No, I didn't want to do that. Let's see if I have to fill that back up. Put a little bit of gold down. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Let's just kind of move it around and see what it does. I'm gonna see if I can turn it around here for you. Ugh, and then I see a hair. Oh my goodness. Ask me how I just got paint all over the top of me, all over my arm. Goodness gracious. I thought I seen something here, but where'd it go? I'm not liking this right there. But Like, I know this is really simple, but I really like it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it alone because I really do like this. I mean, like I said, I know it's pretty simple, but I think that's what I like about it. Because it can literally go either diagonal, I mean, not diagonal, but horizontal or vertical. Like, either way, I think it'll look cool. I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up. Okay, so I'm gonna bring it down for a close-up here. See how I think it'll look cool either way. I think it's cool. Like I said, it's so simple, but it's still just beautiful. The colors together are really pretty. I really like this. You guys will have to tell me what you think. Like, I know this is such a simple piece. Like, it really didn't take me long at all, but I really like it. I really do. But you guys have to tell me what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a quickie. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you enjoyed enough to come back again, or like and subscribe and share and comment. All that fun jazz. It helps my channel out tremendously, and I appreciate it. And yeah, I hope everybody is healthy and safe, and everybody's doing good. And I hope you guys will come back, help me grow my channel. I'm I think about to 850, so we're getting up there, getting closer and closer and closer to 1,000. But I do thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, have a good evening, and keep being creative. Bye.